Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to request Uber car seat option in the app. Ever tried booking an Uber and suddenly realized, wait, where's the car seat option? Yeah, same here. I had the minute panic moment, so I opened the app, set my pickup and destination like the usual, thinking I just magically appear. But here's the thing, Uber doesn't always show the car seat option right away. It actually depends on your location and whether nearby drivers even have one available. Once your ride option load, scroll through them carefully. You usually see the standard ones like UberX, maybe Priority, but if you're lucky, you might spot an option for larger vehicles or other extra seats near the bottom. That's typically where it rides with more space and sometimes car seats availability. From there, you just book it like any normal ride. Quick tip though, don't rely on it last minute. Availability can be unpredictable, so it's always smart to check ahead unless you enjoy unnecessary stress. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.